Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today what I've got for you, this is from Lifedoo. I haven't opened it yet or anything. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll take a picture of it here in a few minutes. They advertise this as the most portable car camping fire pit. I don't do a lot of car camping or anything like that. What I'm going to use it for is shoreline camping and stuff like that when I'm down here on the lake. So I'm going to unbox this today. We're going to take a look at it, see how easy it is to assemble. This is their new 2021 version. Supposedly they made a bunch of changes and everything from the older version. I have not unboxed this yet. We're going to take a look at it together. I'm hoping I like it. They did send this to me for free, so I do want to put that disclaimer out there. I didn't pay for it, but I'm going to give an honest review, and I told them that. If I don't like it, I'll let you guys. I'm planning on doing several videos this summer with it, because I'm going to give it several different shots. If I don't like it, or even if I do like it, I'm going to figure some different stuff out. But let's get this unboxed and we'll check it out. All right, this is what the box looks like and everything. Like I said, I'll put some pictures of it. I am very curious to see what all they have in here. Several people on YouTube did reviews last year, their other version, and they had some different issues with it and stuff, and I'm hoping Lifedoo really fixed those. This is supposed to be totally new for 2021. All right, we got her open. Let's see what's in here. All right. This is a grate. We'll get this figured out here in a second. Here's another grate. They did say that they started doing cooking grates on them. I think this piece right here is just something that they shipped with. I'll figure it out. I do see that there's a pan here. See, the last one they had, a lot of people complained that they couldn't collect their ashes. And when we're out on the shoreline or whatnot, we like to make sure that we leave zero behind. All right. Here's another one. And I just realized I forgot to bring a tape measure. So in the description down below, I'll probably let you guys know what the measurements are of this assemble. But everything looks good so far, nothing bent. It says Lifedoo on there, that's cut out, that's nice. If the wind doesn't blow that too far away, so I can put that in the trash can here in just a second. Well, this little pan did get bent right there, but that's no big deal. I can live with that. Oh, those are the three little cooking things. I'm sure of it. So let me get started on this real quick, just see how the main body goes together. And if with my hands and my dexterity, if I can do it, I am sure you guys are going to be able to do it. All right, that went together pretty easy. Not sure if there's a difference on inside or outside. I guess I'll try the same holes. It looks like there's multiple holes on here. And yeah, I put that on backwards. It doesn't say Lifedoo. It's backwards. But there's two different settings, I guess, to make it wider or whatever. But let me see how easy it is for me to put this side together. Let me make sure I put it in the same set of holes I did the other side. set did I do? Okay. That would be the reason why I didn't want to go. That was operator error. Well, that's enough to drive me nuts. We'll see. And I'm sure I figure most stuff out. I'll get the hang of it here in a second. Neat little fire pit. Let me get my knife out, let me cut that off the grate, and we'll check out the rest of this real quick. All right, there's 7 little slots on either side. I'm not really sure, I bet you, I'm just guessing. And I don't have this on the widest, but I'm sure you can make it wider. I bet you if I did that, and got a fire going in there, I could put me a little skillet right here, or if I have a bigger skillet, I could probably do something like that. It's pretty cool, I like that. All right, let me put that there. Oh, I figured it out with the holes inside. This goes down inside here. Let me take that off. Like I said, I'm doing this for the first time. All right, so your wood can sit right there. Wonder how, okay, I'll probably do this, this, and this. And then this is going to go right like that. All right, put your pan over there, throw you a couple hamburgers there. I do like the fact it has the tray underneath. That way, no ashes on the ground or anything. I can clean up my mess when we leave the shoreline. It'll all be good. You won't be able to tell I even had a campfire. All right. So far, I think this is pretty neat. All right, I went ahead and I changed this over to the widest setting. If you guys can see that. The cook grate you can put over here so some stuff's not directly over the heat, stuff over the heat, move it like that. I think I'm going to enjoy this. If you want a little more intense fire or whatever, I bet you can put that with plenty of airflow underneath. I do like the fact that they go ahead and they send you this ash pan to catch your ashes. That way when you're done with your campfire, you can clean up your mess and you can leave it, the Mother Nature, just like you found it. All right. I can't wait to get a fire in this. And I think my next video, I'm gonna just put a hot fire in it. See how this metal holds up. I mean, and then after that, you might see a little cast iron skillet on here. I'm gonna do several cooks. We'll take it down lake, we'll do some other stuff with it. I'm gonna play around with it all summer long. As of right now, I kinda like it. I really do. With that being said, I really haven't used it yet. But we're gonna get it figured out. Well, thank you all for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Please feel free to put any comments in. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel. I try to respond to everybody that comments on my videos. I greatly appreciate all your support. Y'all have a blessed day, and we're gonna get to cooking.